Today, the angels have brought a special message for you, something so surprising that it has the power to change everything you thought about someone close to you. What this person is planning will shake your certainties, and the angels want you to be prepared for what is to come. You may feel in the air that something is different, as if a change is about to happen, but you can't identify what it is. Your spiritual guides are here now to reveal what has been hidden up to this moment, something that is about to transform the way you see this person and the relationship between you. The angels have been closely watching every step you have taken, every thought that has crossed your mind regarding this person. They have seen the emotions you tried to hide, the doubts that arose in your heart, and the hope that you quietly kept. And now, they are ready to share the truth, something that can be both challenging and liberating. They ask you to keep an open heart and a receptive mind, because what is about to be revealed may not be what you expected, but it is exactly what you need to know to move forward with clarity and wisdom. This person, whom you have been thinking about and for whom you feel a special affection, is about to take a step that will completely change the dynamics between you. To many, it may seem like everything is as it has always been, but this person's heart is going through a profound process of transformation. There is something that this person has been planning in secret, something that until now has been kept deep within their being, but is about to reveal itself in a surprising way. The angels show that, even if this person has acted with apparent indifference or distance, the truth is that a whirlwind of emotions is taking over them. The internal battle that this person is facing is intense. On one hand, she desires to keep up appearances, pretending that nothing has changed, but on the other hand, her heart is screaming for change. What this person feels for you is deeper than she has ever admitted, and it is starting to emerge in ways that she can no longer control. What the angels reveal is that this person is being guided to make a decision that will change everything. The plans she has been silently formulating involve a twist in your relationship, something you never imagined possible, but that is already in motion. You may have noticed small signs, subtle gestures, looks that last longer than usual, words that seem to carry more weight than usual. These are indications that something big is about to happen. This person's heart is awakening to truths that she has tried to suppress for a long time. The angels show that she is approaching a point where it will be impossible to continue hiding what she feels and desires. And when this truth finally comes to light, it will forever change the path of both of you. This secret planning involves not only hidden feelings. The angels reveal that this person is preparing to take a bold step, something that may catch everyone by surprise. What she is planning is not just a change in attitude, but a concrete move that will require courage, and she is silently preparing for that moment. The angels whisper that this step will be a turning point in your relationship, something that will break down all the barriers that have existed so far. It could be a declaration, an unexpected gesture, or even a decision that will completely change both of your lives. Now, the angels ask you to take a deep breath and trust the process. Everything that is happening is aligned with a greater divine plan, something that has been orchestrated by the heavens to guide you to a new level. This person is facing deep fears, internal battles that have kept them from moving forward, but the angels assure that they are getting closer to overcoming these barriers. The love and connection between you are real, and the upcoming movement is proof that the universe is working in favor of this bond. Get ready, because what comes next will require wisdom and patience from you. It won't be easy, but it will be transformative. The angels are by your side, guiding you every step of the way, and they ask you to stand firm in your faith, as everything that is happening is for your greater good. Be prepared to accept what is to come, with an open heart and a peaceful mind, because this revelation will change everything. The angels are preparing you for a moment of revelation, where the unexpected will become a reality. This person, who has been struggling to maintain control over their own feelings until now, is about to make a decision that will directly impact both of your lives. What once seemed distant or unattainable is now rapidly approaching. It's as if a veil is being lifted, allowing the truth to finally shine without barriers. This movement that is being planned in secret may initially seem scary, but the angels assure that it is necessary for the growth and evolution of both. This person, who has hesitated so many times, is now being propelled by a force that cannot be ignored any longer. However much she has tried to hide what she feels, the love and connection they share can no longer be kept in the dark. The angels show that she is, day by day, nearing the point where she will be compelled to open up in a way she never has before. And that is what will change everything. The words she is preparing to say, the action she is planning to take, have the power to completely transform your relationship. Until this moment, you may have felt insecure, as if things were not progressing as you would like. You may have wondered if this person really feels something for you or if fate is keeping you apart for some reason. However, What the angels reveal now is that all your doubts are about to be dispelled. This person feels something much deeper for you than you can imagine, and the upcoming days will bring this truth to light in a surprising way. The angels also reveal that this person has been in internal conflict for a long time, struggling against what her heart truly wanted. Many times, she tried to focus on other things, distracting herself with everyday matters, in an attempt to suppress what she felt. But now, all these attempts are falling apart. Her heart can no longer be silenced, and it is leading her to a drastic change in how she sees you and this connection. The universe, working silently and perfectly, is creating the necessary conditions for this person to feel secure in taking the next step. This may be a deep and honest conversation, where finally everything will be laid out in the open, or it may be a concrete action that will alter the dynamics between you in a way you did not expect. But what the angels want you to know is that this step is coming, and when it arrives, it will be impossible to turn back. Often, the deepest changes in our lives come from where we least expect, and this situation is no different. The angels show that this person is facing their own fears and insecurities intensely. They are being challenged to confront the barriers they have created around their heart, the same ones that have prevented them from approaching you with total sincerity. This internal confrontation is painful for them, but it is also necessary for them to finally open their heart genuinely. You might be wondering, why now? Why did this person take so long to realize what they feel? The angels explain that each soul has its own pace of learning and growth. For this person, the right moment is now arriving. Everything they have gone through so far, all the difficulties and doubts, were necessary steps for them to reach the point of clarity they are in. And now, with the angels guiding each step, they are ready to open up in a way that was never possible before. This revelation will bring not only relief, but also a new beginning. The angels show that what is to come is a complete transformation, something that goes beyond what you could imagine. This plan, which was being nurtured in the silence of this person's heart, involves a radical change in both of your lives. Perhaps you have already dreamed of this, or perhaps you have imagined that this moment would never come. But the angels assure you, it is closer than you think. Now they ask you to hold on to your faith and remain open to what is coming. This person may not have shown the full depth of their feelings before, but the next days will bring forth a new reality. The love this person feels for you is genuine, and the decision they are about to make will reflect that clearly and unequivocally. This is the moment you have been waiting for, the turning point the angels have been preparing for you. As this person prepares to take the next step, you can feel the shift in energy around you. The angels show that there is an invisible force working in your favor, guiding every movement, every thought, and every decision that this person is about to make. Everything that has been experienced so far, the highs and lows, the uncertainties and moments of doubt, culminate in this exact point. This is the moment when everything changes, where the truth will be revealed unequivocally. This person, who has long fought against their own feelings, now finds themselves at a point of no return. They can no longer hide what is inside their heart, and this realization is about to manifest clearly and directly. The angels reveal that, although they have felt trapped by fear and uncertainty, now, there is courage growing within them, something that will push them to make a definitive decision. You may be wondering what the next move of this person will be, and the angels want you to know that this revelation may come in unexpected ways. It could be an honest conversation, where everything will be said without beating around the bush, or it could be a surprising action, something that will make clear what they truly desire. Regardless of how this will happen, the angels assure you that you will know, without a shadow of a doubt, what this person feels and what they plan for your future together. The preparation that is taking place in the heart of this person is deep and spiritual. They are being guided by forces beyond their conscious understanding, and the angels are working behind the scenes, adjusting the details so that everything happens at the right moment. They ask you to trust in this process, as each step that is being fulfilled is part of a larger plan, a plan that has been designed to bring both you and this person to a new level of connection. As you approach this decisive moment, it is important to keep your heart open and be willing to listen and understand what this person has to say. They may be facing old fears, doubts about the future, and even the scars of past experiences that made them hesitate to fully surrender. But now, with the support of the angels, they are starting to realize that the love they feel for you is stronger than any fear or insecurity. The angels show that this process of internal discovery has not been easy for this person. They have gone through moments of intense introspection, questioning their choices and what they truly desire for the future. But now the answers are emerging clearly, and what once seemed like a confusion of feelings is becoming an undeniable truth. They can no longer live without acknowledging what they feel for you. As they approach this revelation, you might also begin to feel subtle changes. You may notice that they are more open, more willing to share their thoughts and emotions, or you may perceive small gestures indicating that something is about to change. These are the clues that the angels are sending so that you know that the moment of transformation is near. Now, the angels ask you to keep your confidence and faith intact. What is about to happen is a reflection of everything you have sown so far. The love, patience, and understanding you have shown for this person have not gone unnoticed. And now, you are about to reap the fruits of all that effort. What the angels reveal is that the moment of revelation will bring not only answers but also the opportunity to start a new chapter, a chapter where both of you can build something solid and lasting. This person, who has so often tried to escape from their feelings, is now realizing that there is no way to run from what is true. What they feel for you is real and deep, and the angels are creating the perfect conditions for them to finally open up and express all they have kept inside. This is a moment of great significance, a moment when fate is being shaped according to the divine plan. The angels also show that you have a crucial role in this process. Your attitude, your understanding, and your willingness to accept this person as they are, with all their flaws and fears, will be fundamental for the success of this new phase. They ask you to remain centered in love, keeping peace and clarity in your heart, for what is to come will be transformative, but will also require patience and wisdom from you. You are being prepared for something great, something that the angels had planned from the beginning. The revelation that is about to happen is not only about what this person feels, but also about what the universe has in store for both of you. This is the beginning of a new cycle, where love, truth, and authenticity will play a central role in your lives. Now, as the angels guide your thoughts, they ask you to prepare for the emotional impact that this revelation will bring. It will not be just a simple gesture or a word thrown in the wind, but a significant change in the dynamics between you. This person is finally ready to open their heart, and what they will share will have the power to rewrite the story you have built together so far. This moment may be intense, full of emotions that both of you have held for a long time, but it will also be a moment of healing and liberation. What the angels want you to understand is that, despite all the uncertainties that have arisen so far, everything was unfolding according to a divine plan. Every silence, every distance, every little hesitation on this person's part was part of a larger process, a process of preparation for this moment when the truth would finally emerge. And now, this moment is at your doorstep. The angels show that what is to come will require courage from both of you to face your own feelings without masks, without barriers, and without fear of what the future holds. This person has been on a journey of self-discovery, and this journey has led them to a point where they can no longer ignore what they feel. The angels whisper that, although there have been moments of doubt and even distance, the bond between you is strong enough to withstand all difficulties. This is a bond that has been forged on a spiritual level, something that transcends earthly limitations and is now about to manifest itself in a clearer and more tangible way. What this person is planning to do involves not only opening their heart to you, but also taking concrete actions that reflect what they truly feel. They are being guided by the angels to leave behind the fears that held them back, and now they are ready to take steps towards a more open and sincere future. The angels ask that you be prepared to receive this truth with compassion and understanding, because what this person will reveal will not be easy for them, but it will be necessary for both of you to move forward in a lighter and more connected way. You are also being challenged by the angels to look within yourself and reflect on how you want to welcome this person into this new chapter. Everything that has been experienced so far has been a preparation for this moment, and the angels want you to know that you have the strength and wisdom needed to deal with this change. They are by your side, guiding you and providing the spiritual support you need to go through this transition with serenity and confidence. Be aware that when this person finally opens up, there will be a great sense of relief, both for them and for you. The angels reveal that this moment will bring a new level of clarity, where all the doubts and fears surrounding this relationship will begin to dissipate. The love, which has been kept silent for so long, will now be able to flow freely, allowing both of you to build something more solid and profound. But the angels also warn that, although this is a moment of great revelation, it will only be the beginning of a new journey. What lies ahead will require work, dedication, and above all, patience. Both of you will have to learn to navigate this new territory together, discovering how to strengthen the connection you have and how to overcome the challenges that may arise along the way. The angels will be by your side, offering guidance and support at every step of this new phase. The divine plan, orchestrated by the angels for both of you, is unfolding perfectly. They show that this love was meant to happen, and although there have been obstacles, each of them has served to strengthen the bond between you. Now is the time to embrace this truth and move forward with confidence. What is to come will be transformative, but you are prepared for it. The angels assure you that the future awaiting both of you is filled with love, growth, and an even deeper spiritual connection. Upon concluding this message, the angels ask you to remember that you are never alone. Every step you take is guided by divine forces, and every challenge you face is an opportunity for spiritual growth. They are with you, holding your hand, whispering words of courage and hope in your ears, so that you can move forward confidently into this new chapter of your life. Be ready for what is to come, as the angels assure you that it will be a journey that will bring not only answers but also the peace your heart longs for. This is the moment to trust. Trust in the angels, trust in the process, and above all, trust in yourself. The love that is about to be revealed is real, it is profound, and it is part of a greater divine plan. Everything you have lived up to now has been to prepare you for this exact moment. Now the angels ask you to simply receive this truth with open arms and let love guide your next steps. Allow your spirit to absorb these words and feel them resonate deeply within you. The universe desires the best for you and will ensure a positive outcome, no matter what your choice may be. Type, I absorb, receive, and accept my destiny and all that the universe has to offer me. To claim this message and the blessings contained in it for yourself, leave a positive comment for other viewers who may need a boost of positivity in their day. The universe sees this as an act of kindness. Let us uplift each other and create waves of good energy together. If you are not yet subscribed to the channel, subscribe now and stay tuned for the important message awaiting you in the next video. May God and the universe light your steps with peace, love, and faith. Amen.